Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole. This video is about some recent changes both inside and outside of my YouTube channel. To consolidate my content, I've set up my own homepage on ThinkFic and started creating my own online courses. There are 4 courses in total right now, designed to teach you Chinese from scratch. Level 0 covers all of the pronunciation. It's the same as my YouTube playlist, but without aids. So I only charge a nominal fee of £2. If you already enjoy 8 free YouTube, then of course you don't really need to purchase this course. Level 1 includes the grammar from HSK 1 and part of HSK 2, providing a basic understanding of Chinese with everyday conversation. Level 2 also focuses on daily dialogue, but gets deeper, covering all of HSK 2 and HSK 3 grammar. Level 3 is for business Chinese. These materials are based on my previous 10 years of experience in media sales and marketing. If you need to work with Chinese companies, you should start it after completing level 0 to 2. It includes industry-specific communication for finance, insurance, design, art, company management, media, both social and streaming media, and more. Unlike traditional textbooks, my courses are up to date with 2024 content and more relevant to our real life. I strive to make grammar less tedious and provide pinyin and English translations for all courses. Many textbooks begin to phase out pinyin and higher levels like HSK 3 and higher, but my courses ensure you have the necessary pinyin and focus less on character memorization, though basic knowledge of essential and confusing characters is covered. In short, my courses are designed to help you engage fluently with native speakers in 2024. Of course, language learning requires practice a lot, so my courses also offer workshops where practicing together can make your learning more efficient. As I mentioned, my courses are still being updated. So if you have any ideas, what's your questions during learning Chinese, you can let me know. And what you want to learn might appear in my future courses. And then about my YouTube channel. I'm updating HSK 2 on my YouTube channel, and I used to combine pronunciation part and explanation part in one video. But from lesson 8 onward, I've started releasing the reading part separately, because I think this can help you focus better on practicing reading and listening. And the new sections, the picture reading part, picture this. I started to make this one because many students are facing vocabulary issues, and their communication can be limited by textbooks, making it difficult to describe things around them, like objects or scenery, people, and so on. So this section involves simply describing elements in pictures or videos, showing you directly how to express things around you. And the podcast. This is actually synced from my original podcast. I updated the podcast every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. This podcast is entirely in Chinese, but don't worry, the speaking pace is relatively slow. And you also can find all of the scripts on my homepage, including Chinese, pinyin, and English translations. If you still want to follow more podcast content, you can search for Every Little Thing Chinese on Spotify or Apple Podcast. Or you also can click the link I put in my description part. If you're still confusing about how to learn Chinese and why Chinese is such hard to learn, please check out this video. I believe you will find the answer. Okay, I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye.